Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lufuno. You get me? Okay guys, so today I will be reviewing this bullying video that's been doing rounds on the internet, on the news and everywhere about Lufuno, the girl who committed suicide because she was bullied by one of her fellow mates. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay guys, so as you can see, like I'm just chillaxing. I'm not going anywhere. It's at night already, so I decided, like, let me check out this video because it's been making a lot of noise, and the amount of support that her family got. I need to see this, so let's see. Okay, so you might ask yourselves, as my viewers, that what bullying means. Bullying is repeated aggressive behavior intended to hurt another person physically or mentally, and with the purpose of gaining power over the person being targeted. So apparently, from what I hear about this, it's that this girl Lufuno was arguing with this yellow chick about apparently a 5 rand. As to why this other girl beat her up, I'll never know. I guess we all will never understand why, but then apparently the girl who actually assaulted Lufuno wasn't even part of this thing. She decided that it was okay to beat her up. She didn't even know the story. She didn't even know what was happening. She just came and knew that there was altercations, and she decided that she was going to take part. Since Vela bullies always wanna be seen, Vela. You get me? I'm really looking for this video. Like, I feel like the most boring thing about this video is the fact that everybody is just laughing about it. It's such a big joke that Lufuno, the poor girl, is being assaulted by someone that apparently this girl had been bullying Lufuno for such a long time. I'm sorry about that. She had been bullying Lufuno for such a long time. So Lufuno and this other girl are having an altercation, and she said that this is the perfect time to beat her up. And apparently after this whole thing happened, obviously she was embarrassed and all that. Everybody. So like, as I was saying, like, as after the whole thing happened, the whole ordeal happened, she was obviously embarrassed at the fact that she had been beaten up in front of the whole school. The people that she actually called her friends weren't even there to help her or even say anything. So she decided that it was better to leave a suicide note that started trending after she had passed on to this girl who beat her up and embarrassed her in front of the whole school. The suicide note goes as follows: "Forgive me for what I did wrong to you, and what I did to you wasn't so big for you to embarrass me in the eyes of the whole country. Where will I find strength to sit in a class and learn? When they pointed at me, looked at me, laughed at me, it caused a pound of pain. Your doings made me lose hope. May the God help you to continue with the journey where I left off. May you get educated and materialize the dreams I had for my mother, for them to become true. My soul is not resting. It is not resting in peace. I was sent to death by those better than me. the mighty God must not sympathize with you. My tears that shed shall cause a cloud of curse upon them. My tears that shed shall cause a cloud of curse upon them. I hope you are happy, considering I have passed on. So guys, this is a very touchy topic for me, a touching topic, because I was also once a victim of bullying in first grade, where I was bullied and my friends couldn't even help me. They weren't, like, everybody just ran away. And okay, mine, I feel like mine was better because they ran away. But then Lufuno's friends were there laughing and pointing fingers and looking at him. In the previous video, I think I've watched this video 2 times before I actually shot for content. There was this other girl who stood next to her and smiled at the camera, like, how do you smile at the camera? And then, like, this other girl, the girl who assaulted her, is the one who actually makes me angry, because, like, this girl Lufuno and this girl with the dreads, the light-skinned one, they were talking. It showed that they were talking. Okay, I know that she was okay. She's also considered as a bully, because what did she have to talk to Lufuno in front of the whole school? I mean, was it really necessary? But then for the other girl to get into this conversation and it's just bullying. Because, like, bullying isn't just throwing stones or calling names. I mean, throwing punches or calling names. They exclude you, they put you down, they belittle you, they make you feel and look stupid. They'll make snide comments, criticize your every move, slowly eat away at you until they've sucked away your soul. There are plenty of ways to be a bully, but only one way to be a victim, because we let them. I wish we could give bullies the boot and stand up for someone who's too afraid to stand up for themselves. I mean, like, guys, this is bullshit. There's no other way to explain it. It's bullshit, because Lufuno da is one unhappy ancestor. Lufuno is one unhappy ancestor. Before she passed on, she already cursed this girl's life. So I don't see it necessary for her to, yo guys, hey, this girl's life is already cursed. So that was, like, on Facebook, she deleted the post. This girl had posted that it doesn't even matter that Lufuno committed suicide because of her. There's nothing that she'll get in return. She just got a warning letter, nothing more. Like, to show you how deep this actually is, Lufuno had saved herself as trash boat on Facebook. That's just how deep this has gone. This is how much that she had been bullied for such a long time that she even accepted it. It became a part of her life. I feel like this is wrong. A final warning, a written warning for that girl just isn't enough. And there was a time in a week or 2 days after the video trended, they were like, they're striking, and they weren't even striking. I mean, like, they were striking with smiling faces. It's just to show that they wanted attention for their school. It wasn't really because they didn't. I feel like they didn't even know why they're striking, because they're striking but you have a smile on your face. So a parent is grieving and you have a smile on your face. You're acting like you care about Lufuno. When Lufuno was being beaten up on the video, they didn't even give a shit. And now that she's gone and the whole thing is trending, it's all over social media, the school is on the map for all the wrong reasons. They want to act like they care. This is just, no, I do not agree with this. These children are just mannerless rascals. Like they aggravate me. But then, like, guys, I think that's what I have to say about this. It's a touching topic because for me, I've experienced bullying. I know how bullying feels, to go to school and to wake up every morning and feel like you don't want to go to school because you already know what you're gonna see or expect. It's just too much. It's too much. But then, like, yo, guys, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and recommend to your friends. Your girl, Peace out.